Hello guys, this is Sam right here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom font to your PIXELLAB app. I know a lot of you guys are finding it difficult how to add a custom font to your PIXELLAB, so I thought it wise to do this video to guide you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so guys, if this is your first time here, please do well to give this video like, subscribe to the channel, and then share my videos to everyone. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Alright, so we are using my Chrome browser here. So if any web browser that you're using, you can just open into it and then you're good to go. Just click on the Chrome browser right there and then search for thefont.com. Yes, thefont.com. So it brings you to this spot. Alright, so this is the website of thefont.com. So what you're going to do is just click on any of the font that you want to download and then add it to your PIXELLAB app. Yet if you have any font in mind and you want to search for, just click on this pin right here, just key in your font that you want, and after that click on search. You're good to go. Alright, so let's say I want this font, let's say the Happy Halloween. Just click on download. Alright, so you could see at the base of your screen that the process is going on. Just click on open when it's been downloaded. Alright, so it brings you to this portion of your internal storage. This is where it's been downloaded to. Just click on unzip. Yes, so the next thing you're going to do is just hop on to the PIXELLAB app and then add it to it as you want. Alright, this font, go to my fonts. Let me show you this. So we have two options here. The first one is if you want to add the font straight away, just click on it and then the font will be added from your internal storage. And the second one is the folder in which the font is being found. So if you want to add the whole folder, just click on it. So you can click on any of them to get started. Alright, so it brings you to the internal storage in which or where your font is being downloaded to, probably to be on downloads. Just click on download and then you'll find your font right there. Alright, so this is the Happy Halloween we just downloaded. Just click on it and then click on add directory. Yes, so it's this way, and then just click on it. Your font is being added. So this is your Happy Halloween font right there. If you found value in this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave your comment in the comment section, and do well to share to your friends. See you in my next upload.